In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive app blocked error in Trello. To fix this, the first thing you need to do is open your Google account settings. Look to the left sidebar and click on Security. In that section, find the Sign In and Connected Apps area. Now use the search bar in your Google account settings and type third-party apps. From the results, click on your connections to third-party apps and services. This page shows all the apps and services that currently have some level of access to your Google account. Next, use the search bar on that page again and type Trello. When Trello appears in the results, click on it to open its access details. You should now see a message showing that Trello has some access to your Google account. This is the key area you need to review, because the blocked error often happens when the old connection between Trello and Google Drive becomes outdated, broken, or stuck. Click See Details to view more information about what Trello can access. Then select Remove All Access. Google will ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and click Confirm. This removes the current permission link between Trello and your Google account, which is usually what clears the app blocked issue and lets you reconnect from scratch. After that, go back to Trello. Refresh the page so it loads cleanly with the old connection removed. Then repeat the Google Drive connection steps inside Trello just like you did before. When prompted, log into your Google account again and complete the connection process. At this point, the Google Drive integration should work normally again, and the blocked error should be gone. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you finish: make sure you're signing in to the correct Google account, especially if you're logged into more than one in the same browser. That can sometimes cause permission conflicts and make it seem like the fix did not work. It also helps to close extra Google tabs if the login window keeps switching accounts automatically. If Trello still shows an error after reconnecting, refresh Trello one more time and repeat the sign-in carefully. In many cases, removing the old access and reconnecting cleanly is all it takes. And that's it. You successfully reset Trello's access to your Google account and fixed the Google Drive app blocked error. Congratulations!